Horses out, we have Masaganangani, pass to begin, touch of class, moving up on the outside now is Pedro Penduko, Chris Gibbs racing in port, Pretty Bull, and Gifted Jump is the early trailer. We have Pedro Penduko by about 2 lengths, Masaganangani in second, and in third is touch of class, moving up in between horses, Chris Gibbs, Pretty Bull is down on the inside, and a long way back to Gifted Jump, but it's still Pedro Penduko by about 4 lengths. Masaganangani in second, Pretty Bull now in third, and on the outside for touch of class, Chris Skip remains in fifth, and Gifted Jump, and it's still Pedro Penduko by about 2 lengths. Masaganangani, Pretty Bull now trying to get closer in third, and on the outside for touch of class, Chris Skip is down on the inside, and Gifted Jump, Pedro Penduko by only 2 lengths, followed by Masaganangani, Chris Skip moving up by Drella, Pedro Penduko by only a length, Chris Skip now down on the inside to take the lead. It's now Chris Skip followed by Pedro Penduko, Pretty Bull, Masaganangani as they come down at the last 100. We have Chris Skip now strides away by about 4 lengths. Pretty Bull, Pedro Penduko, Masaganangani, and nearing the finish line, it's all for Chris Skip. Second is Pretty Bull, Pedro Penduko, close Masaganangani, Gifted Jump, and touch of class.
So siya rin, Chris Skip, ang ating winner dyan, yung Nalyamada with P. Poison.